Hello everyone that's probably not watching yet. You're watching on a replay. I just thought I'd let you know how the roads are. I just shoveled. Neighbors are shoveling. Wanda is not plowed as usual. Woohoo! Hi. Woo! There's some deep spots. Ninth is not plowed. By the way, if you're not from this area, our schools were canceled today. 10th Street is not plowed. Lots of people shoveling and snow blowing. Most people are snow blowing. But I feel ya. I shoveled. This uphill might be a little tough in a front wheel or rear wheel. I'm guessing the main roads are fine. You're welcome, babe. You're welcome. So this road has definitely got some stuff on it, but they've been keeping it plowed, it looks like. Definitely passable by all vehicles, but it's gonna be slick. Hello from Florida, Dustin Rankin. How's the snow down there? Where are you at in Florida? You should be listening to Hot 95.9. That's what I listen to from Orlando or wherever, somewhere in Florida. Side streets like Cortina is not plowed. Bel Air is not plowed. You are in Anna Maria. Oh, I've been there. Well, I've been in the area. Yeah, so Hot 95.9, that's the station. That's what you need to listen to. Christian rap. I was down there somewhere. Orlando, Tampa Bay. You're on an island right now, and the snow is terrible. Yeah, some of the beaches there, the sand looks like snow. It's amazing. What was the name of the places I was? I can't remember. Green Arrow. This intersection is definitely messy. This is Magazine and woo! And Ankeny Boulevard. We went to Anna Maria? Okay, we went to Anna Maria. We had a convertible that we rented, so we drove everywhere. Emily McDowell is watching. Well, you didn't have school again today, Emily McDowell? All these teachers are getting a winter vacation. Or did you have to go in even though the students didn't? Oh, snow day, yeah. I think Kaylee said that she might have had to go in even if the students weren't. Well, I saw their daycare was open. ACA's daycare was open. Which is nice of them. So I'm going 35, but I mean because of the other people. Definitely not because of my car. I'm about to dive in my pool in the backyard. It's rough, buddy. Well, sorry that you don't get to go to the Super Bowl. I mean, I guess you could go, but it wouldn't be as fun. Stacy Miller, my neighbor. Hi, Stacy. Your husband was also out this morning. Well, clearing his driveway. And scraping his ice. I want to go around these people, but now I got somebody beside me. Come on, come on! Oh, gotta get through the light. Oh, he turned. Here I go. Might regret this. We're going around, everybody. Yeah, this lane ain't super clear. I don't know what this guy's doing. Is he gonna stay? Is he nope? Oh, there's a snowplow. Pretty sure this is a county road, so they're county plows here. Nope, that's the city of Ankeny. Nice work, city of Ankeny. So this is Highway 69, for those of you who are wondering. I'm just coming out of Ankeny, Polk County, headed south. Got the people plowing driveways. What did my wife say? What was the low blow? I missed that one. Couldn't realize why my back window was not clearing off. It's because there's so much snow on the top of my car, it's just constantly blowing off the back. This road's not too bad, at least my side. Turning lane's not really there. Should be about right here. Eee! We'll just make a turning lane. This is where everybody gets hung up, in these little corners. It's 13 degrees out. Yeah, you can make it to Starbucks for sure. Don't they deliver? I'm sure you can get Uber to deliver. So this is Corporate Woods or Northeast 66th, headed west. About to come under 2nd Avenue. Gotta love the cars that go past you that are completely clean with their garages. My wife gets the garage, so my car doesn't look that pretty. Okay, I feel like I've lost my heat. What's going on here? That wouldn't be good. Yep, pretty sure I did. Blowing ice cold air. That's not good. That's never happened before. Steve Dixon, where are you? I was wondering why it got so cold so quick. DoorDash will deliver it for you. Yeah. Well. Hopefully, something didn't break. I don't see steam blowing all over the place. My engine temperature is normal. Oh, there we go. We're getting heat now. That was the weirdest thing ever. I'll just leave it alone. Bye, Dustin. Have a nice day in Florida. You left at just the right time, apparently. that guy lost his mailbox. He's strapping it back on. I'm guessing somebody took the corner a little too hard. Okay, now I'm turning on the alley here to the church. It's even plowed already, it looks like. And I was specifically told to park in the already plowed section. Aww. Josh beat me to work in his two-wheel drive Mustang. It's just not acceptable. And my 9:30 meeting's already here. What's up with that? Look at the look at the pile. Look, Chris Stanning's here plowing. Okay, well, I hope all 7 of you had a great time driving to work with me.